Hey there. Have you ever wondered what exactly Bitcoin is and why everyone keeps talking about it? Don't worry. By the end of this 5-minute video, you'll understand what Bitcoin is, how it works, and why it matters. Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. Bitcoin is a digital currency, meaning it exists only online. There are no physical coins, no banks involved, and no government controls it. It was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Yes, we still don't know who that is. Bitcoin was invented as a response to the 2008 financial crisis. The idea was simple but radical. What if we could have money that didn't rely on banks or governments? Money that was decentralized and transparent. With Bitcoin, there's no central authority. It's peer-to-peer, meaning people can send it directly to each other. Kind of like sending an email, but with value. Here's where it gets a little technical. But stick with me. Bitcoin runs on something called blockchain technology. Imagine a public notebook. Anyone can see it, and once you write something in it, it can't be erased. That's the blockchain. A digital ledger where every single Bitcoin transaction is recorded permanently. New transactions are grouped together in blocks, and these blocks are added to the chain. Hence, blockchain. To keep the network secure and to process transactions, Bitcoin uses a process called mining. No, we're not talking pickaxes and caves. Bitcoin miners are computers solving complex math problems. When they solve one, they get to add a new block to the blockchain, and as a reward, they earn new Bitcoins. This process also controls how new Bitcoins are released, making it predictable and limited. Bitcoin is extremely secure, thanks to cryptography and the decentralized nature of the blockchain. It's almost impossible to hack the network unless someone controlled over 50% of all the computers in the system. That's called a 51% attack, and it's very unlikely. But just because Bitcoin is secure doesn't mean your wallet is. If someone steals your private key, basically your password, you could lose your Bitcoins forever. So it's important to be careful. Great question. Bitcoin has no physical form, and yet people trade it for thousands of dollars. Why? Because value is based on belief and scarcity. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. Ever. That's written into the code. So like gold, Bitcoin is scarce. And as more people believe in its value, use it, and invest in it, the price goes up. Fast forward to today. Bitcoin is accepted by some companies, held by major investors, and even used as legal tender in countries like El Salvador. But it's also volatile. Its price can swing wildly. Some see it as the future of money. Others see it as a speculative bubble. So, what's the bottom line? Bitcoin is more than just digital money. It's a technology, an experiment, and maybe even a movement. Whether it becomes the money of the future or not, it's already reshaping how we think about finance. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it, or drop a question in the comments. Until next time, stay curious, and maybe don't lose your private keys.